Hi guys, Marie here. Welcome to my channel. We are currently here at Plantation Bay and I'm going to do a room tour. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Plantation Bay has a lot of different types of rooms, but we're staying in NI 15. So let's go inside. So the first thing you will see when you enter is an umbrella. And here on the left side is the bathroom. The door has a full body mirror. So cool. Let's go inside. So inside, they have a bathtub. It has hot and cold. You can set it to the temperature that you'd like. And it looks like this. Murag na siya kanang chair. So here is the mirror. It is quite big. And they have complimentary alcohol, face mask, and gloves. They also have these glasses. And they have this complimentary soap, shampoo, bath gel, conditioner, and body lotion. They also have cotton buds and dental kits. They also have this two-sided mirror, which is pretty interesting. This can be very useful when putting on makeup or doing your skincare routine. So here is their shower. It also has a glass door. The shower has a lot of controls. This control in the lowest part is for the temperature, and this here is for this one, and the next one is for this one, and the third one is for this. And the fourth one is for the last one in the lower part. So it looks like this. Okay, let's turn it off. And of course, the toilet. And there's a phone here inside their CR. They also have towels, and they have two trash cans inside the comfort room. Moving on, beside the CR is the cabinet. So it has a lot of shelves. So here they have this free slippers and also more mugs. This mug is so cute. Yeah, 4 more mugs in here and a kettle. They also have coffee, tea, what's this? Oh, cream. This is cream and sugar. And here on the other side is where you can hang your clothes. They have a safe lock, and they also have this container. Okay, so Inside this is a hair dryer. They also have 2 robes. Okay. And inside there is this small table where you can put your luggages, your other things. And here are slippers, but they're not free. This is priced 100 pesos. Okay. Our room is good for 4 persons, so it has 2 king-size beds. Just don't mind our things, the mga face shield. And it's my parents' anniversary, so they gave this complimentary cake. They also have this side table with outlets and light switches. So this is very convenient because it's beside the bed. And they also have this phone. They also have this free pencil and notepad. And of course, the aircon. Then here is the TV. Just don't mind our things. And I'm gonna try to turn it on. So there. Okay, so they're flashing these guidelines before entering the Below the TV, they have this cabinet here. Inside the cabinet is a refrigerator. So it looks like this. They have 4 water bottles inside. And all the other drinks here, we brought them. The refrigerator also has a mini freezer. And lastly here, they have this beautiful table. They also have this basket full of compliments. So here are 2 cans of pineapple juice, 2 packs of dried mangoes, and some mango tamarind. So here are more notepads, papers, and upon check-in, they gave us a map. So this is the back door of our room. And when you go outside, you have this very beautiful view. My dad is having a video call. So the view outside of our room is like this. And we also have a space here at the back where we can chill. There's a table and 2 chairs. Also this other 2 chairs. The view outside looks like this. We're currently on the 1st floor, but there are more floors up. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video. And see you in the next one.